Welcome to the Amega Profile Verification tutorial. To begin, sign into your account at amega.finance. If you do not have an account, you can register by clicking on the Sign Up button. Click on Create Account. At the top of your client area, click on Complete Verification. The next screen will show your verification status. The first step is to verify your email address. Click on Verify Email at the bottom to proceed. Check your registered email inbox. You should receive an email with the title, "Please verify your email." Open it and click on Verify Email. Your email is now verified. Completing the email verification will lead directly to the very brief questionnaire. This is an important step for regulatory reasons. Please take your time and answer each question as truthfully as possible. The last thing you need to do is verify your identity and residence by uploading certain documents. To do that, simply click on Continue to get started. Next, let's proceed with verifying your identity. Please select the document you want to use and the issuing country. You can verify your identity using any of the following documents: ID card, passport, residence permit, driver's license. Make sure to follow the guidelines for taking an acceptable photo of your document. If you are completing verification from a PC or laptop, you will have the option to use your webcam by clicking Next, or switch to verifying through your smartphone by clicking on Continue on Phone. If you choose to continue the process on your phone, you will need to scan the QR code or copy the link as seen on the screen. Remember, you can switch seamlessly between your devices without having to verify the same document twice by clicking on Continue on this device. For example, it may be easier to verify your ID by taking photos on your smartphone and then switch back to PC, laptop to upload your proof of address. Continuing with the ID verification, once your camera has initiated, hold the front side, one with photo, of your document up to it and within the dotted frame. Make sure the text and photo are readable and click on the round white button under the frame to take a photo. If you prefer, you can manually upload a photo of your document by clicking on Upload Manually. If you are happy with the preview of your photo, click on Accept to move to the next section, or try again to take another photo. Once you click Accept, you will have a few seconds to prepare before taking a photo of the back of your ID. When the camera comes back on, repeat the same process for the back of your ID card. After accepting the photo of the back of your ID, you can proceed with verifying your address. Simply upload your proof of residence document by clicking on Upload Document or take a photo of it from your smartphone. Make sure to follow the listed guidelines to ensure that your document gets approved. Once your document is uploaded, click on Next. And that's it! Your profile is now fully verified, and it took only a few minutes. You can now fund your account and begin your trading journey with Amega.